Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on the exclusive Lululemon Disney collaboration. Now, this collaboration dropped very suddenly and with very little press, so that's why I'm considering this more of a secret drop. If you actually did see some press beforehand, do let me know, but I am subscribed to the emails and have the app with notifications, and I didn't know about this drop until it was live and ready to go. Now, as someone who likes surprises, I was really thrilled by this, and I quickly bought the things that caught my eye the most. Now, those were the black Mickey set, which features the Mickey Mouse logo as well as the Lululemon logo, as well as a few solid options in white. Now, the first few items that you're seeing here are that Disney logo collection. So this color is called the Disney Classic Black, and it also came in a very hot pink, which I was kind of intrigued by, but figured I would try it on in the store. Now, first we had the Energy Longline Bra, which is medium support, and I picked it up in a size 6, which is my usual legging size. Note that Lululemon sizes are a little bit funky, so I usually do wear like a 4 or even a 2 in tops or jackets, but in the bra I do stick to my 6 size. Next, I picked up the Hottie Hot shorts in 4 inches, which is such a strange name to me, but do with that what you will. I also was expecting these to be shorter, which you'll start to see once I try these on. They were really comfortable though, preview. And then I also picked this print up in the leggings. So they came in the Wonder Train high-rise tights in 25 inches. Now, if any Lulu items are ever too long or too big, do keep in mind that Lulu offers free tailoring in their store. I have used this feature when I wanted a shorter legging or a shorter biker short, and they didn't have my size in stock. But do keep in mind if there is kind of like a cool hem or some cool writing on the inside of the hem at the bottom or wherever you're editing it, you will lose that. Now, each piece in this collection comes with some sort of red Disney and Lululemon logo, which I think is really cute with the black and white colorways. I will say I'm not positive if it comes with that on the red, it might be a different color. But on the black and white, it is really striking and a really cool way to call attention to the brand collab, especially on the more simple pieces. I don't think there's going to be any doubt that these monogram pieces are a collaboration. Another element that I thought was pretty cute was the Disney and Lulu tag, but that is just the marketing guru in me. Alright, next up we're getting into our white pieces. So I picked up the All Yours cropped t-shirt in white in a size 4, as well as the cotton jersey t-shirt for my husband in a size medium, and the fleece oversized pullover in a size extra small. I also did pick up the Everywhere belt bag with the Mickey in Motion graphic in white, which we have a separate unboxing video for and a little preview at the end of this video. Now, you saw with the ladies cropped tee that the logo was raised on the front, but with the men's t-shirt, the logo is not raised. You do feel some sort of texture, but it is more of kind of like a print on there. Now, I really did like the ladies tee, and you will see kind of how it fits once we put it on, but I really liked this logo building on the back of the men's tee. I guess it's unisex, but I picked it up for my man. So now, upon first glance, it does look a little bit big, but we'll see how that fits once we get it on. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the fleece oversized pullover. Now, this was one of the first items to sell out, and I have not seen it been restocked, so I think it's sold out for good. That is actually the same story with the white t-shirt and the white crop. I think there's just something about that crisp white feeling. Now, pulling this one out of the bag, it did feel really large, but again, let's see how it fits once we get it on. It does say that it is oversized, however, and it did come in an extra small, so I'm kind of hoping that I don't have FOMO when I try this on. Now, it feels very luxurious, very thick. It also feels very warm and fleecy on the inside, so this is definitely not a lightweight pullover. It will keep you warm, and it feels really well made and very well detailed with the graphic. Now let's go ahead and start trying on. First up, we have our Lulu and Disney logo set. So this is the bra and the shorts. Again, reminder that I tried the 6 in the bra and a 4 in the shorts. That is my typical size in both items, and they fit really well. Now, I have not tried these shorts before. I'm more about the dancer shorts, but I actually really liked them. I was really anticipating these to be shorter because they are called the Hottie Hot shorts. So I'm actually pretty pleasantly surprised with how well they fit, as well as just the length overall. Now, next up, I tried on the same sports bra with the leggings, and I actually really liked them. The only qualm that I have with this whole collection is that they didn't line up the Mickey and the Lulu logos at the seams. So you can start to notice that there is kind of some misalignment there, which just bothers me a little bit. It bothers me a little bit less in the leggings, specifically on the back, but especially on the front at that waistband seam, I do notice, and it does bother me. Is it enough to return them? You let me know your suggestion in the comments below. Now, this crop top I absolutely loved, and I thought it went perfect with the whole set, so it really tied everything together. Now, next up, let's try on the sweatshirt, and ta-da, thank goodness it is not too big. Now, I don't know why it looked really oversized to me, but then it fit really well when I put it on. It could have just been the material and kind of the heftiness or the weight to it that made me feel like it was bigger or larger or heavier than I was expecting. Now, I really love the red logo on the back, as with the rest of this collection, and I did really like tucking it in because then you get to see the red logo on the leggings. Now, overall, I think this is probably my favorite design, the Mickey in Motion graphic, and I think this sweatshirt is the one I would get the most use out of if I was wearing it to the parks. Now, the last piece that I picked up was, of course, this Everywhere belt bag with that Mickey in Motion graphic, and this was definitely the star of the show. I feel like this was really easy to pair with everything, and it gives you that hands-free opportunity to really enjoy the parks. Now, I have not worn a belt bag as a purse to the parks before, but I am really interested to see if it feels any different. Let me know in the comments below if you have any of these items, if you like them, if you love them, if you're thinking of getting them. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.